Yes, in my previous program video I was just telling you about the serial LED program. So I've just made a serial LED blinking, just wait a second so that you can see. Yeah, so basically what I have done is so you don't need to specify any header files in your Arduino. That's because your Arduino IDE gives you a complete integrated module along with an header file, and you just need to initialize the variables, just set the direction of your pins and do the logic. You get the output. So basically in this void setup, what I'm doing is the pin mode. So the pin mode just specifies whether you need to configure your pin as input or output. So I have configured my pin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, that is my digital pins, as output. And this is what happens in void setup. And in void loop, basically I want my program to keep on running in an infinite loop. It should go on. So what I have done is void loop. Your Arduino has an infinite loop. So it's a void loop, right? Void loop. So for loop, there is an infinite loop like while program, while of one program. So it's pre-programmed. So I have to get this thing running infinitely. So what I do is I just get an I've assigned my LED pin as 1, right? Now what I'm doing is I'm using a for loop to increment my pin. So after 1 second, what happens is it goes to the next pin. So what I have done is, so LED 1, you get this, right? I think you may know the basics. So digital write LED comma high. So I made this pin as, it is high, and then I have given a delay of 1000 milliseconds. So milliseconds in the sense 1000 milliseconds make 1 second. And digital write LED low. So again I made it as low and delay 1000 milliseconds again. So repeatedly my LED keeps on glowing in a specific pattern. So that's it. So it's the basic programming using Arduino. In my next video I'll